Are you juggling two careers and wondering how to manage both of them without losing your peace of mind? How to excel in both of them without, burning out? Well, you're not alone, because in today's day and age, there are so many of us wearing multiple hats. There are so many of us managing multiple careers and even balancing our passion and our profession. So, if you're somebody on this path, the art is not doing multiple things at the same time. The art is doing multiple things and managing multiple careers without getting burnt out and without compromising on the quality of work that you do. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth. I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. And in today's episode, we will dive deep into the art of multitasking between two careers. Now, I'll share some practical steps and strategies that can help you stay organized, productive, and sane while you pursue your multiple career paths or dual career paths. So, whether you're a freelancer or a business owner or a corporate professional, this episode is just for you because these tips will help you master the balance. First things first, prioritize and plan. Prioritization is always the key, and now that you're doing multiple tasks, that you're managing multiple careers together, you really need to prioritize. Remember, both your careers will, have certain things that you will need to do on a priority basis, right? So, what you will need to actually do is identify the most important tasks for each career, and then what are the non negotiables that need your immediate attention. Make a list of all of them and map out your week or your month accordingly. Use tools like your digital planners, calendars, or even product management apps and stay on top of deadlines and tasks. Prioritization here will help you ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that you're dedicating your energy to what truly matters. You're not wasting your time. You don't have time to waste. You're not doing things that are futile. You are actually concentrating on tasks that need your attention and that truly matter at this point in time. Number two, time blocking. It's a game changer when you're managing multiple careers. Dedicate specific blocks of time. Okay, so whether depending now on what your careers are, you can either choose, weekly blocks or daily blocks as far as time blocking is concerned. So maybe you can say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you will focus on one career, Thursday, Friday you will focus on one career. Or if both your careers are such that they need your time every day, then maybe you can decide that okay, first half of the day you will focus on one career, second half of the day you will focus on one career. So by blocking, your time, you will create a structured schedule that will prevent overlap and that will ensure that you're giving each career the attention it deserves. Step number 3, set clear boundaries, because this is very crucial to avoid burnout. Clearly define when you're working on one career, when you're working on the other career, which is time blocking as we spoke, and also communicate these boundaries to your colleagues, clients, partners, and even your family and your friends so that everybody understands your availability. It's very important to even set personal boundaries here. So make sure that you're taking time to rest, recharge, and disconnect from both your careers for at least some time every day. Remember, you just cannot pour from an empty cup. So you need to be recharged. Your battery needs to be full all the time. Step number 4, automation. Thankfully, in today's day and age, there are so many ways of automating not only your career but your life. Technology is your best friend, especially now that you're balancing two careers. Use automation tools to handle repetitive tasks, to schedule your social media posts, to send out emails, to manage your calendar. Once you automate all your tasks, you are actually, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic work. And when you use productivity apps to track your progress, it helps you stay organized, and it's like a what do I say, accountability partner for you. Step number 5, don't be afraid to delegate. Delegate and even outsource the tasks that aren't, the best use of your time. So, whether it's hiring a virtual assistant or outsourcing administrative tasks or even collaborating with others, who can be, an extra hand to you as far as your work is concerned. Delegation is a powerful way to maximize your efficiency. Focus on what you do best and let others do the rest. Number 6, stay flexible, stay adaptable. Okay, life is really unpredictable. You don't know what will happen when, and sometimes all your plans will need to change suddenly. So be willing to adjust your schedule, be willing to reprioritize your tasks, and be willing to take a step back when required. The ability to adapt is what will keep you moving forward even when challenges arise. Balancing two careers is not easy, it's no small feat, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Remember, it's about working smart and working right. Prioritize, plan, don't forget to take care of yourself along the way. You have the power to thrive in both your careers as well as your personal life. Just stay organized, just stay focused, and just stay flexible. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this episode, like, subscribe, share it with somebody who needs to hear this today. For more tips, follow my Instagram handle at the rate Gratitude Concepts by Ratika Seth, and feel free to write into me for any help you may need on your path to fulfillment. Until next time, this is me, your life enhancement coach Ratika Seth, signing off. Bye bye.